Cheater. Setting up camp at my parents' house again. All the campgrounds are booked because we didn't book ahead of time. We are ready for some camping fun. Hey P-Dog, you happy to camp again?
Yeah, we're camping out
I promise.
Nana's and Papa's, and it's gonna be cool. And Mama's gonna make a fortune for me.
A fortune? Nice.
A paper fortune.
Well, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a campground
I'll
soon.
show you how to do it.
Hey, we're gonna go to a campground soon, okay?
Yeah.
But for now, Nana and Papa's is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You don't care, you just want to camp outside, right?
Yeah.
Get some fresh air, have a big
Yeah.
campfire, eat s'mores.
Yeah, and we can go outside whenever we want.
That's a new, yeah.
In a camper. Yeah! Rock and roll, and make sure you could do keto, because this is a keto house.
Okay, you heard it first. I think my dad has enough chicken. My goodness. Hey guys, what are you doing? Guys having fun camping?
Yeah.
This is the way to camp.
And I'm eating a yellow popsicle. I'm eating an orange one.
An orange one? Let me see. Oh yeah, nice.
Yellow.
What are you doing?
Are you vlogging?
Am I vlogging?
Yeah.
It's the weekend. Of course we're vlogging.
Hello.
Everybody, I'm back.
Hello.
Everybody, I'm back. Andrew's back.
Yeah.
All these guys are going to get ice cream.
Yeah. And look at these splits.
Not this guy. I'm keeping it keto. Let's talk about cheat meals. Cheater. No matter what diet you're on, you are going to cheat on your diet. It's inevitable, it's gonna happen. Let it happen, all right? I guarantee you, your body's gonna react even better when you get right back on track the next day. So let's go with that. Tip number one, have your cheat, but try to keep them as far and few in between as you can. And have you cheat and get right back on track the next day. Guaranteed you will have much success following that plan. Tip number 2, keep it in check with, as wholesome, good foods as you can. I mean, sure, you can go out and have pizza or have like fast food or something like that, but and if that's what you really want to do, you can do that, but you're gonna have much better success if you can keep it as clean as possible. So what I recommend is like going out for sushi or something, which may be happening tonight. Tip number 3, don't stress about it. All right, just have your cheat, move on with your life, enjoy it, enjoy the cheat. Okay, don't let it bother you, because stress is not good for anything. It's not good for your diet, it's not good for you, it raises cortisol. You just don't want to stress about it. All right, plan your cheats out. If that's the case, plan it. Like, that's what I like to do. I'll be like, all right, you know what, it's time, I want to have a cheat, I'm going to go out, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to get right back on course. Like I said, the next day it's going to happen, it's going to be good, it's going to be glorious, you're going to feel much better, and you're going to have much more success. Have your cheat, don't stress. So those are my 3 tips for cheat meals. Definitely keep it a meal and don't do a whole day of cheating. It's going to be much harder for you to get back on track the next day if you make it an all-day event. So pick one meal, what are you going to have, plan it out, and that's it. Just stick to that, and then get right back on track the next day. You will be good to go, I promise you that. If you make it a whole day, it's easy to just downward spiral the next day and just be like, oh, I feel like garbage, I'm just gonna keep cheating, and then before you know it, it turns into a full week of cheating, and it's not good. So stick to just one meal, enjoy that meal, get right back on track, and you will be good to go, I promise. Don't stress, you got it. So I have been craving sushi. I keep seeing it on Instagram popping up, and I'm thinking, if I'm going to have a cheat, I'm going to have sushi. So yes, we are having sushi tonight. It is going to be glorious. I cannot wait. I've been strict keto for a while now, so I am ready to have a full-on cheat meal. Even today I had cheesy eggs and bacon and sausage for breakfast, and then we had some leftover chicken from my dad's from last night, and some of that antipasto salad that Sammy made yesterday. That was really good with the olives. There was cheese in it. There was pepperoni and salami. Excellent. That was so good. We had such a good meal last night at my parents. Camped out. Good times as always. So yeah, tonight is the night. We are going to have some sushi as our cheat, and I'm not going to fret about it. It's going to be so good. And then tomorrow I'm getting right back on track. My plan is to do a 20-hour fast. So if you don't fast, don't worry about it. But I like to intermittent fast with my ketogenic diet. I don't even really prefer calling keto diet. I mean, it is the diet that I do, but I hate the term diet. I definitely treat this as a lifestyle, and that's another thing with cheat meals. I keep them as far and few in between as I can. I live my life keto, and I have no problems with that. Last night, everybody went down and had ice cream after dinner, and I didn't even really want ice cream or anything. I went down, I ordered ice cream for my kids, I gave it to them, I didn't have one single bite. I did not cheat at all. And I've been doing very good for a while now. But yeah, it's time to have some sushi. I'm ready for a cheat. So, here we go. Let's go get some sushi. It is the next day. It is a glorious day. The sushi was amazing. We had such a good time. We're gonna wrap up this weekly vlog here. One thing that happened to me though right after the sushi is my stomach was a mess. And it's not from the carbs. Have your cheat meal, it's all good. The carbs didn't bother my stomach, but I've been testing this for a while now, and what it was was I can no longer have avocados. For some reason, my stomach, I think I have an intolerance to them. As you might know, I'm allergic to a bunch of different things, nuts included, and I think avocados just fall in that family of even some berries I'm allergic to, like raspberries and blackberries. So, I don't know, they just might fall in that category where I don't have hives from it or anything, but my stomach is just like a hot mess. And I've been testing this for a while because avocados, as you know, are a key staple in the ketogenic diet. They add so much potassium and some good fats. So if you can eat those, I definitely recommend get in your avocados. They're amazing. But I can no longer have them. So if you're coming to me and you're telling me that I can't do a keto diet, it is too limiting, you're preaching to the choir, because I'm allergic to nuts, which, you know, a lot of nuts and seeds are excellent on a ketogenic diet. I can have sunflower seeds, but there's a lot of seeds that I can't have either. Now I can't have avocados, which I said are high in potassium. So you want to have avocados for sure. What else can I have? I can't have chocolate, which, you know, mostly you can't have chocolate on a keto diet, but you can have some dark chocolate, like unsweetened. You know, you can use them in a lot of baking goods. Like, go on Pinterest, there's tons of alternatives for baking treats on keto. Like, you can use almond flour, which again I cannot have. So yeah, there's a lot of things on the ketogenic diet that I cannot have, but I still make it work. And I know you can, and you will feel a whole lot better. So it is the next day, like I said. I'm about ready to get in a chest and tricep workout in, and yes, I feel great. I'm gonna crush it. Getting right back on track on keto, doing a 20-hour fast. I'm working out fasted, and then I will break my fast later on. So, all right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. I hope I gave you some good keto tips and tricks for you guys to take along with you on your ketogenic journey. You know, hit me up on Instagram. You can direct message me. You can find me on ketofamilyman.com. If you're friends with me on Facebook, private message me. I love to help out and give you some free coaching. All right, everybody, you guys have an amazing day. Enjoy the sunshine and get your workout in and keep things keto. Keep things consistent. Consistency is the king. Always remember to have a good time and rock and roll.